Wouldn't you love an opportunity like that? You know, the dancers in Caravan Studios Project Band live music curriculum do perform in the evening shows at GoLive as their end-of-year showcase. But we have so many musicians coming to town, and we have so many live music opportunities. There are over 25 additional dance slots available to live music over the course of the weekend. So, you know, if you want to get out there and test your ability, like see how your fluency is developing to live music, man, this is a great chance to do it. If you want to use a performance to live music as a launch to kind of check yourself and see what maybe you want to work on next, that's a great idea too. You know, and regardless of your level, we can scale your opportunity to match your comfort level as a dancer. There's so many options. So in addition to taking classes with Tamalyn Dallal and Sahira with musicians playing in the room for your workshop experience, there are these kind of performance opportunities available to the Registrants of GoLive.